How to create player movement in 90 seconds with Logic Bricks visual scripting. First, make sure your player has a script. Make sure you turn off templates. Click Create. Then go to your Logic Bricks. Expand it if you want. We need to create an always sensor, and then add a character physics actuator. Then connect the sensor to the actuator. Click Apply Code and test it out. Next, we're going to add controls with an input map sensor. But first we need to set up our input. Go to Project, Project Settings, then Input Map. Type in your input names, then click the plus next to the input name and apply any kind of key binding you want, joystick or otherwise. Back in the Logic Bricks, rename your action name to whatever your forward action is. Then we're going to add a motion actuator. Now connect those, and you can put in a value, but let's use a variable instead. Add a variable, name it speed or whatever you want, change it to float, set the variable, then put the variable name in the axis box. Next, duplicate your input chain with Control D for forward, backward, left, and right. Be sure to change the input action name, and change the variable name to positive and negative for which one you need, and put it in the correct axis box. Now click Apply Code, and try your game out. Now you can see we're moving up, down, left, and right. But our character isn't facing the direction we're moving. Go ahead and add a Look at Input node to our always chain. Just connect that, and then set your forward, backward, left, and right actions. Don't forget to change the target name to the mesh that we're using. And you might need to change the forward axis. Then apply code, play your game, and everything should move properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around in the next video.